You are going to love the 2008 Dakota. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Inside you'll find child safety locks, power steering. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate mid-size pickup. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.